Hey fam, before we begin this awesome Pascha Greek Easter video, I wanted to say a couple of things that are extremely serious. One, I want to thank all of the people that are still going to work, still doing stuff, still working for us and making sure that we're healthy, the doctors and the nurses, all the way to people that are collecting trash, people that are just, dedicating their lives and their days in this weird kind of crazy situation that we're in. And then even more importantly, I want to say that there are starving people right now. There are people that are out of work, that are out of money, and they need your help, okay? They need our help. They need anyone that can afford to donate money or your time, okay? If you have time to go help the elderly, do grocery shopping, go shopping for them, find an organization that's local to be able to help. And more importantly, look, money matters. And if you have the money to donate, I'm going to put a link down below in the description here. So how do you get to the description? Just scroll down if you're on your phone or if on your laptop. If you're on your laptop, scroll down and I'll put a link to a bunch of organizations that you can go online, donate, or find locally and help, okay? It matters. People are literally going to bed hungry every day, every night, just because they couldn't make ends meet, and they need your help. All right, so with that, check out the Pascha video. Χρόνια πολλά και καλό Pascha y Cordienia. So that's happy Easter and have a good New Year in Greek. I just wanted to do a quick video, but right now we're sitting outside. It's not like it was last year. We had a lot of people over. Right now we have Ansula and Yorgos and of course my beautiful wifey Pooh. And we're not abiding by the quarantine because we've been with each other every day before and after the quarantine stuff. So at least we get to share some family company right now. It really matters. I hope everyone's doing great. I hope that if it's not Easter, you're having a good weekend. If it is Easter for you, Greek Orthodox Easter, I hope that you're able to spend it with some family or at least video chat with some people that you care about. It's not the same as it was last year, but we have next year. All right.
Bye. Bye. Χρόνια πολλά.
Peace. Hey, what's up, fam? I hope everybody's doing great. I wanted to just give a quick shout out and let the world know how great Greece is doing with this coronavirus outbreak. I'll tell you, from the onset of this, Greece really responded in a great way, and a lot of the people that are in leadership and decision-making positions, I'm sure, had a hard time making the decision to social distance, and then progressively making the decision to close businesses, and now making the decision to make sure that people are not gathering for Pascha, which is Greek Orthodox Easter. And I'll talk a little bit about Pascha. It's a huge deal here in Greece. It's probably the biggest holiday, not even probably, it's the biggest holiday here. And, I've been here for a few years and I miss it today. Today's Pascha, and it's very different. It's a little sad. So I want to say to everyone that's going through Pascha alone, that there's next year, and the virus outbreak will pass and we'll be able to gather with our friends and our family again soon. I guarantee it, soon. And then going back to the response by Greece and the decision makers here, it came kind of in phases. And right now we have about about a little over 2,000 cases of confirmed cases of coronavirus, and a little over 100, I think 112 as of today, people that have died. And that's a huge difference from a lot of other places in the world. And although we don't have hard numbers, no one has hard numbers of actually, people that have been affected, because everyone hasn't been tested, and you can be asymptomatic and still be infected. And that's good to know. I'll use that as a segue. You can be asymptomatic, have the virus, and give it to someone else. So that's why social distancing, right, and being very cautious and taking precautions matter, all right? I see in the United States, a lot of people are protesting against the social distancing measures and wanting to get back to work or wanting to open up their business. And my gosh, it's a huge decision to pause everything, right? And money matters, and lifestyle matters. And I'd be a liar if I didn't say that it does. But life matters more than money or your lifestyle. Other people's lives. The end. So anyways, I just want to do a quick video, fam, just to say Greece, we're doing great. Summer is right around the corner, and I think that we're going to see a good summer. We're going to get back into the swing of things like normal, and hopefully in the winter time we have some measures in place to protect some people from getting the virus, or protect people from the disease and dying if they get the virus in the winter time that's coming up. What else? There's nothing else. Hey, Galo Pascha. I hope that everyone's doing great, and I really hope that you're finding some good outlets, some good ways to connect with people, and figuring out a different way of being for now, because this can be mentally draining for a lot of people. We're very lucky, we're very fortunate that we were close with a couple of people that, family that, if one of us had it, we'd all have it. So we kept contact, and they're here now sharing Pascha with us. But last year we had a bunch of friends over. Shout out to all of our friends that were over last year, and as well as family. But it's different this year, and that's okay. No one's going to die because it's different. We're going to press on and survive. All right. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Peace.